guys. Oh, it's probably a little windy out here. Anyway, I've been noticing a lot of referral links for people buying carpet details. Appreciate it, guys, for you using that link. Number one. Number two, I think a lot of you guys are a little iffy about it, and you guys are going with a little $19 bottle. That's basically for kind of residential use, so you're not going to get much cleaning out of that bottle. Much better deal. And trust me, guys, if you're just getting it to test out, trust me, guys, you're gonna love it. Get the 5-pound, all right? Yeah, it's like $60, $65, free delivery by the time it gets to your door. But it's gonna, you're gonna love it. And again, that little thing, it's gonna probably do 1 or 2 jobs for you. It's not worth the price point at all. All right, so a little tip there, guys. Again, thanks for using my links. If you guys like to support me, and there's always links underneath all my YouTube videos that goes to my webpage and has all the products I use. All right, most of them are on there, and use that store, and they give me a little change. But anyway, hope you guys are having a good week so far. And thanks for all the positivity and support and all that stuff, guys. See you next one.